It's time to get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Whoa! Whoa! That one's blue! That one is red, Tabs. Oh, and that one is green. I wonder, why are fireworks different colors? Great idea, Tabs. Let's go investigate. I'm gonna need helicopter blades and a grabber arm.
Helicopter blades, grabber arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi-mobile is ready for adventure.
Oh, no. Never get too close to fireworks. Be safe. Give them some space.
Okay. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs. We were just wondering how fireworks get their colors.
Hi, I'm Penny. I'll spin you a tale all about it. Whee! First, you have to know that fireworks are little rockets filled with black powder, which burns fast and sends the fireworks as high as 1,000 feet into the air.
Whoa, that's pretty high. Good idea, Tabs. Let's get a better look at the fireworks in the sky. Will you join me in the Blippi-mobile, Penny?
Sure.
Whoa! Great!
Even in the air, remember to stay safe and give them space.
So colorful!
Packed into the top of the firework are metal salts called stars. Just like different foods have different flavors when you eat them, different metal salts burn different colors when you ignite them.
Watch out! Here comes another one, Tabs! Tabs, are you okay? I told you, stay safe and give them space.
We should get down to the ground or we'll all miss the big ending.
You're right, let's go!
Here it comes, the grand finale!
Whoa!
Whoa, look at that!
What an amazing show! And now I have the answer to my question. Why are fireworks different colors? Fireworks are different colors because of the different metal salts they burn. Upload answer, Tabs. Bye, Penny.
Bye, Blippi. Always stay colorful.
Whoa, look at that, Tabs. It's an adorable kitty cat. And look at those super long whiskers. I wonder, why do cats have whiskers? Great idea, Tabs. Let's follow that kitty cat and find out. I'm gonna need wings.
Wings, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi-mobile is ready for adventure. Do you see any kitties yet, Tabs? Whoa! What was that? Hey! It's me, Blippi. What's your name?
Hipley's the name, and treats are my game. Say, you aren't holding out on me, are you?
Holding out on what?
Treats! I can smell them like hot cakes in the morning. They're close. Hurry, follow me.
Wait for me!
Yeehaw! Woo! Flawless.
How do you land so perfectly?
My whiskers have special sensors that help keep me oriented, so I always land on my feet. Like this. Haha.
Do you think you can fit?
My whiskers help me determine if I can fit through the passage without getting stuck. See? I told you. Come on, Blippi.
It's so dark. How can you see anything?
When I can't see what's around me, my whiskers tell me when something's there. Ah, rats. No treats in here. But we must be close. Come on, y'all.
What else can your whiskers do?
Even the slightest breeze can tell me information about my environment and what direction a smell is coming from. My whiskers are telling me that the treats are... Woo! There! Woo! Jackpot! Would you look at that? Woo-hoo-hoo! I'm happier than a pig in mud.
What a great adventure, Kippley! We found the treats! And I got the answer to my question. Why do cats have whiskers? Cats' whiskers help them navigate their environment and help them keep oriented so they always land on their feet. Upload answer tabs. Bye-bye, Kippley!
Thanks, Blippi. It was great to have you as a sidekick on this adventure. Bye, y'all.
Easy. Careful now. Whoa, I'm hungry. This cereal is soggy. I wonder, why does cereal get soggy? Great idea, D.A.B.B.S. We'll shrink down and find out. I'm gonna need wings, duck feet, and the grabber arm.
Wings, duck feet, grabber arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. You're right, D.A.B.B.S. It sure is hard.
Attention!
Whoa! Who are you?
I'm Scooper the Spoon. That's Sergeant Scooper the Spoon to you.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.A.B.B.S. We're here to learn why cereal gets soggy.
Well, you came to the best of the best. These crunchy pieces of cereal are as hard as nails. The only problem is we got incoming milk in T-minus 30 seconds.
What happens then?
The cereal gets all wet, Blippi. At first, it may seem like cereal is 100% solid, but if you look closely, it's actually porous. That means full of tiny little holes.
Good idea, D.A.B.B.S. I'll go gather some intel, and you stay here on the lookout. Shrinking down again! It's like a cave made of cereal.
All those holes you're flying through are open space for milk to fill and make the cereal soggy. Then it expands and falls apart. Milk incoming!
Whoa! The cereal is falling apart. Time to get out of here. Growing up!
No time to float around. We've got a cereal rescue mission to complete. Now that the milk has infiltrated the cereal, we've got to scoop fast before the cereal gets soggy.
We're on it.
I got it! You see, in the few minutes the cereal has been in milk, it has absorbed the liquid through the holes. A lot like how a sponge absorbs water. With your help, we got all the cereal out safely. Well done, troops.
Thanks, Sergeant Scooper. And I got the answer to my question. Why does cereal get soggy? Cereal gets soggy when milk fills in the tiny holes of the cereal and causes it to expand and fall apart. Upload answer, D.A.B.B.O.
Goodbye, Blippi.
Bye-bye, Sergeant Scooper. Thanks for the scoop. Whoa! That was a gigantic truck! You're right, D.A.B.B.O. I think that was a monster truck. I wonder, what makes a monster truck special? Good idea! We can catch up with that monster truck and find out. I'm gonna need monster truck wheels.
Monster truck wheels confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. D.A.B.B.O.? Whoa, D.A.B.B.O! You have the monster truck wheels attachment? You're like a monster truck. All right, let's ride. D.A.B.B.O. the monster truck is ready for adventure.
Crash! Crash!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.A.B.B.O. You really crushed that car.
Hi, Blippi. I'm Megan.
So, Megan, we're here to find out what makes a monster truck special.
Cool. Well, I think the best way to answer your question is to show you what I do.
Great!
You see, I'm a monster truck with big, tall, monster tires. I'm 13 feet tall.
Wow!
Let's do this.
All right!
Huh? Huh? Crash!
We can't bounce as high as you, Megan! And, oh boy, we're almost tipping over!
Well, I have heavy-duty suspension, which are special springs, so I can bounce way up and down and not tumble over. I use them when I race and have competitions.
Cool! Whoa!
Yeah! Welcome aboard, Blippi! Buckle up! It's time to dominate the obstacle course.
Whoa! Wow! This is awesome! Woo! How can you turn and zigzag so fast?
I have something called four-wheel steering, so I can turn all four wheels at once, instead of just two wheels like a lot of regular trucks. Us monster trucks are built for short, high-powered bursts of speed. Whoa, yeah, whee! I nailed that!
Megan, that was amazing! And I have the answer to my question. What makes a monster truck special? Monster trucks are a special kind of truck with big tires, heavy-duty suspension, and four-wheel steering. Upload answer, D.A.B.B.O. Bye, Megan! It was so cool to ride with you!
Bye, Blippi! Keep on crushing!
Whoa! Look at those ducks floating in that pond! Exactly, D.A.B.B.O. There's got to be a reason why ducks don't sink. I wonder, how do ducks float? Good idea. Let's go ask that one. I'm gonna need duck feet and wings.
Duck feet, wings confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Here, ducky ducky. Here, little ducky. Whoa! Big ducky! Hang on, D.A.B.B.O. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.A.B.B.O.
Well, hello there, Blippi and D.A.B.B.O. I'm Declan. Welcome to the pond. You here for a swim?
Well, we're actually here because we really want to know how you float.
I never really thought about it. Oh, us ducks do paddle with our feet a lot. Want to take a look?
Good idea! I'll check them out. We can't get close enough. You're right, we have our binoculars. Whoa!
What do you think?
You sure have webbed feet. D.A.B.B.O. is right. You stopped paddling and you're still floating.
Must not be my feet that make me float. Oh, I have an idea. Floating may have something to do with our feathers. Yo, Terry, let Blippi have a look under your feathers.
It's a feather tunnel in here. And the feathers are kind of oily.
See again, we make a special oil that keeps our feathers waterproof.
Waterproof feathers! Whoa! Is that a bubble?
Bubbles? What do they do?
It's air! Air bubbles are floating in the feathers like a balloon.
Oh, so the bubbles help us ducks float. Hey, Terry, we have air bubbles floating in our feathers.
It's true! And now I have the answer to my question. How do ducks float? Duck feathers trap air bubbles and air floats in water. So, ducks float. Upload answer, D.A.B.B.O. Thanks for everything, Declan. Bye-bye! Keep floating.
Bye, Blippi.
What a nice day for a quiet drive. Whoa! Attack of the bubbles! That's right, D.A.B.B.O. Bubbles pop when you touch them. I wonder, how do you make bubbles? Great idea! We'll follow the bubbles to find out. I'm gonna need wings.
Wings confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. The bubbles are from the car wash. Let's give it a wash.
Hi! Oh, good boy. I'm Marvin Bubbly.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.A.B.B.O. We're here to learn how to... Wait a second, are you a pop star?
Oh. Sure am.
My mom loves you!
Thank you very much. You're far too kind. So, what are you here to learn?
D.A.B.B.O. and I are here to learn how bubbles are made.
So glad you asked. The surfaces of bubbles are soft. Ooh, which makes them pop easily. That reminds me, we need more bubbles. And I know just the fella to show you how. Can you guess? It's me, Marvin Bubbly. Come on.
Whoopsies!
The first step is to get water. Then we need some soap to mix with it. And shoo-ba-dee-dee-boop. Voila! You make bubbles!
And look how they float!
Us bubbles can float like that because we're just air that's trapped inside a thin layer of soapy water.
Whoa! So bubbles are made by blowing air into soap.
That's right! Which reminds me, let's make some more bubbles. And I know just the fella to show you how.
It's you!
It is me! Just to dip your hands in the water, get them sudsed up on the soap. Make a circle with your hands and blow.
Whoa! It's bigger than you! Check this out!
Catch me if you can. I've got new heights to reach.
Keep flying high, Marvin! And thanks for helping me get the answer to my question. How are bubbles made? They're made when air gets trapped inside a thin layer of soapy water. Upload answer, Devo. Bye-bye, Marvin.
Bye-bye, Blippi. Bye-bye, everyone.
Whoa! Look! A bird flying at night. Huh, it's a bat. I wonder, how do bats fly in the dark? Good idea, Devo. Let's take flight in the night. I'm going to need wings and spider legs.
Wings, spider legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure.
Whoa! Whose lights are those?
Hey, it's me, Blippi. I put my bright headlights on to find you.
Oh, hey, Blippi. I'm Matt the Bat. I was just heading out to fly my favourite flying course. You want to join me?
Sure. I was wondering how bats fly in the dark.
I can show you. But one thing, Blippi. No headlights.
Got it.
Let's go.
Whoa! It's so dark.
Twigs! Branch! Look out!
Whoa!
Blippi, didn't you hear that tree?
No, I didn't. Wait, did you say hear the tree?
Yeah! I can hear everything in my way. Heads up! Rocks!
Whoa! How do you do that?
Bats have a special skill called echolocation. I make sounds and they bounce off objects and echo, so I can tell where the objects are and how far away I am from them.
Really, Debo? You have echolocation too? Because you're a robot dog? Well, let's use it.
Whoa! Let's fly!
Whoa! 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 Yeah! Whee!
Nice flying, guys.
Thanks! And I have the answer to my question. How do bats fly in the dark? Echolocation! Bats make high-pitched sounds that bounce off objects and echo, so they can safely hear where they're at in the dark. Upload answer, Debo.
Oh, look, it's bedtime. Fun flying with you, Blippi and T.A.B.B.S.
You sleep upside down? Whoa! Bats are amazing! Bye, Matt the Bat! Achoo! Thanks for you! Huh, something is making me sneeze. I wonder, why do people sneeze? Yes, it's time to find the nearest nose and see what happens in there. I'm gonna need rocket boosters, a grabber arm, and spider legs.
Rocket booster, grabber arm, spider legs, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Woo-hoo! Into a nose we go. It's like a cave in here. Hello?
Hello!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Who are you?
My name's Petunia, and I'm a piece of pollen. I may be small, but I can make big things happen.
Like a sneeze?
You got it! When I'm around people, I bubble especially like bothering noses. Come on, bounce with me. Oh, don't worry, it's a nose. It's not going to bite. Plus, it's fun.
So, this will make someone sneeze?
This is just the start, since a sniff is coming. Watch out.
That wasn't that bad! It looks like we're in a jungle.
This is all hair. It's here to keep pollen like me. Plus other things like dust particles out of your nose. Well, it won't work. Oh, it's fun to be irritating.
Will this cause a sneeze?
I hope so. Ooh, now a tissue's coming for us. Run! All right. They're really bothering this nose now. Tickle more.
Is a sneeze coming?
It is! Na 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 na!
Oh no! Boogers!
We did it!
Yes! And I have the answer to my question. Why do people sneeze? People sneeze when tiny things like pollen get inside their nose and irritate it. Upload answer, Debo.
Okay! See ya, Blippi!
Bye-bye, Petunia! Holy smokes! A volcano! That's right, Debo! When a volcano erupts, smoke and hot lava come out the top of it. I wonder, what makes a volcano erupt? Great idea! We'll go inside a volcano and find out. I'm gonna need wings, spider legs, and the heat shield.
Wings, spider legs, heat shield, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go through the side vent into the volcano. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, it sure is hot in here.
Hey there, I'm Maggie the Magma Monster.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. We want to learn what makes a volcano erupt.
You're in for a real treat, Blippi and Debo. Speaking of treats, below us, deep in the earth, the planet's heat is melting rocks into liquid, also known as magma, like me.
You're right, Debo. It is like one of our favorite games. The floor is lava. Whoa!
Magma becomes lava after it erupts out of the volcano.
What?
So I guess I'm the floor.
Whoa! We're getting higher.
That's because the more rocks melt below, the more magma rises here in the chamber.
Hey, I wonder where this goes.
Look out, Blippi!
Magma! Phew, that was close. Maggie, you almost fill the whole cavern now.
I sure do. And as I grow, the pressure inside the volcano builds until we push through the crust or the top of the earth. Hold on! Much better.
Maggie, what a blast! And I got the answer to my question. What makes a volcano erupt? A volcano erupts when the hot magma inside it builds pressure and bursts through the surface of the earth. Upload answer, Debo.
That was fun, Blippi. Hope you loved it.
We did! Bye-bye, Maggie. Yum! These turkey sandwiches are going to be delicious. Oh, what a mess! Hey, look at that fly walk on the ceiling. I wonder, how do flies walk on the ceiling? I'm gonna need wings and spider legs.
Wings, spider legs, confirmed.
Activate Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Hey, Devo! I think I know that fly. It's Horace.
Hi, Blippi! How's it going, pal?
How did you get on the ceiling?
No, it's easy. Watch this. Ta-da!
Wow!
Yes, sirree! The ceiling is my own personal dance floor. Now you try.
Here goes. Whoa! Why can't the Blippi Mobile stand on the ceiling too? What's the trick?
Here's the trick. You've got to stick.
Stick?
Mm-hmm. You see, my feet make a super sticky glue that helps me stick to the ceiling. Here, try some.
Don't mind if I do. Here goes. Whoa! Oh, now I stick to the ceiling too.
Look at all that mess. Oh,
The glue has us stuck in place.
that's because you're not doing the fly leg twist.
The fly leg twist?
That's right. Fly glue is so strong that we have to push ourselves off the ceiling to walk. Like this.
Like this?
You got it. Now let's hit it. Do the fly leg twist. Do the fly leg twist. Get your feet unstuck when you go like this.
We did it! And I have the answer to my question. How do flies walk on the ceiling? Fly legs have a special sticky glue that keeps them stuck to the ceiling. Upload answer, Debo.
Well, I'm off to eat a little bit of dinner now. See you later, Blippi.
Bye-bye!
Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Oh, look at that cute little squirrel digging a hole! Did you see her bury that nut? So true, Debo. We do need to know the answer. I wonder, why do squirrels bury their nuts? I'm gonna need the excavator arm and wings.
Excavator arm, wings, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure. Look, Debo! This is an acorn. It's a type of nut, and squirrels love them. Here, squirrely, squirrely. We have an acorn over here.
Nuts! Nuts! I need more nuts! I can't get enough nuts.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is my friend Debo. We found a nut for you.
Nut? Oh, thanks for the acorn, Blippi. My name is Sparky. I'm kind of a nut expert.
Then you have to tell us, Sparky. Why do squirrels bury their nuts?
What? You don't bury your nuts? Huh? Come with me. No time to waste. We need nuts, 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 and more nuts. This is the garden, my favorite place to collect and bury things. You know, I can bury 25 things an hour.
That's a lot of burying. How do you remember where you put it all?
I keep everything up here in the old furry head. My memory is amazing. You think you can remember like I can? You want to try it?
We sure do.
Okay, now watch. Okay, do you remember where I just buried all those acorns?
Of course we do. Easy peasy.
Not an acorn.
This is harder than I thought.
Hello, yummy walnut.
We can't find any acorns.
That's right, because I take special care to hide my nuts so only I can find them. That's how I keep them safe. And then I'll dig them up in the winter when I'm hungry and food is harder to find.
So cool! And I found the answer to my question. Why do squirrels bury their nuts? Squirrels bury their nuts and other things so they can eat them later and have enough food during the winter. Upload answer, Devo. Bye, Sparky!
Bye-bye!
Keep digging!